minus. Divide. Everybody, plus, minus, plus, divide, equals. Plus, minus, plus, divide, equals.
Hi kids! Good morning! How are you today? Okay, so before we start for our topic today, I would like to introduce myself. I am Teacher Hans, your new math teacher. So our topic for today is all about subtraction. So last week, Teacher Myra teach you about addition, right? Okay, very good. So I hope you learn about addition because today we will talk about subtraction, right? Okay, so what is subtraction? Or what is subtraction in Thai? Okay, very good. So we will talk about subtraction, okay? Let's start. The title of our topic for today is subtraction with numbers less than 1,000. Okay, what is less than in Thai? Less than. Okay, and what is 1,000? 1,000. Okay, very good. So that will be our lesson for today. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is our vocabulary. So first we have minus. Next we have equal. Next we have difference. Next we have minuend. And the last word is subtrahend. So those are the vocabulary words, and we will talk about the words later on our topic. So what is subtraction? Okay, everybody, let's read. Subtraction is the process of taking one number or amount away from another. That is the meaning of subtraction. So what is the symbol of subtraction, or we also known as minus? Okay, so this is the example, or this is the symbol of minus. Okay, so now we will talk about the minuend, subtrahend, and difference. So first we will talk about the minuend. Okay, for example, if we have 9 minus 4 equals 5. So the 9 is our minuend. So minuend is the first number in a subtraction sentence. We subtract subtrahend from the minuend to get the difference. So okay, the number that plays on the left side, we call it minuend. And okay, subtrahend is the number which we subtract from another number in a subtraction sentence. Okay, the number that we subtract from the minuend, that is the subtrahend. The subtrahend is the second number. Okay, so the result of the problem, of the subtraction problem, we call it difference. So if we have 9 minus 4, the answer or the result is the difference. Okay? Okay, I will read the process, the first process. Since Teacher Myra teach you about addition. So today I will teach about subtraction. So I will read the process for you, okay? So everybody should read and listen, all right? Okay, example number 1. We have example number 1. Okay, the process of subtraction. So this is the process of subtraction. First step, okay, the first step. Subtract the numbers in the ones place. So this is the process. For example, we have 782 subtract 325. So how to solve that using the step-by-step process of subtraction. So first, we will do the 2 minus 5. It can be or cannot be. Very good. Cannot be because 2 is less than 5. Okay, so how to do that? How we can make to subtract? How to solve that? Okay, so what we will do is to borrow one from 8. We need to borrow 1 from 8. So this number 8 will become 7. And this number 2 will become number 12. Very good. So the new number now is the 2 became 12 and the 8 will become 7, right? So 12 minus 5. What is the answer? 12 subtract 5. Okay, so 7. Very good. So 12 subtract 5 is 7. Now, step 2. Subtract the numbers in the tens place. So now the tens place now is the number 7. That number 7, that was the number 8, right? So we will subtract the number 7. 7 subtract 2. So what will be the answer? 7 subtract 2. Why 7? Because we borrow 1 from 8. That's why 8 becomes 7, right? Okay, so 7 subtract 2 is 5. So 5 now is the tens. Okay? So in the first step, the number 7 or the result of 12 minus 5 is 7, right? So the number 7, that is the ones. And the step 2, the number 5 of the answer or of the result is the tens. Okay, understand? Very good. Now we will go to step 3. Okay, let's read. Subtract the numbers in the hundreds place. 7 minus 3 equals blank. So now, we are finished from the first column or the first step, and that is the ones. The second is the tens, and the last one is the hundreds, right? So 7 minus 3 or 7 subtract 3. So what will be the answer? So 7 is bigger than 3, so the answer is 4. We don't need to borrow 1 from the other number because 7 is bigger than 3. It can solve or it can subtract without borrowing from the other number. So the hundreds now is 4. So this is the number 4 is the hundreds place. Okay? So the answer of 782 subtract 325 is 457. Okay? 457. The 7 is the ones, 5 is the tens, and 4 is the hundreds. Understand? Okay, very good. Good. So, before we will end our topic about subtraction and before we go to next unit, I will give you a quiz. Okay, I will give you short activity or quiz about subtraction. Okay, only subtraction because I think Teacher Myra gave already about addition. Okay, so don't worry, this is only about subtraction. I will just test if you understand. Alright, so I will give you three problems. Okay, so let's start and get your pencils and papers and eraser. Okay, so let's start. I know you can do it. Okay, so this is the first. Okay, number 1, we have 420 subtract 330. We have 420 subtract 330. So you should answer following the steps. The ones, the tens, and the hundreds. Okay? Right, so we have number 2. Number 2, we have 537 subtract 385. We have 537 subtract 385. Okay, and we have 682 subtract 372. 682 subtract 372. 682 subtract 372. Okay, I hope you understand and learn about subtraction. So before we will end this class, I want you to stay at home, wash your hands, and if you want to go to 7-Eleven and you want to buy food, you should wear your face mask, okay? But if that is not important, please do not go outside. Just stay at home, and you need to listen to your mom or to your dad, okay? Because COVID is not a joke. COVID is very dangerous, okay? Alright, very good. So, stay healthy and stay at home, right? So, see you next time. Bye-bye.